Hello everybody!
Hello!
Welcome back to Gluten-Free Friday, Halloween edition, except for you're seeing this on November 1st. But for us, today is Halloween, so we're spooky. What's your costume?
I'm a Harley Davidson biker girl. What are you?
I'm a clown. Can they see the full shirt? Got the clown shirt on.
Yeah, look at this.
Sorry, my microphone's making a lot of noise. Got my clown makeup. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of light blue.
Yeah, isn't her makeup so good, guys? So good.
Hype me up in the comments. Anyway, today we've got a delicious fall, kind of savory. It's a little savory, it's a little sweet. A pumpkin hummus. You ever had one?
No, I'm so excited.
My mom, I know she's gonna be watching this. She's going to be very excited about this because she loves pumpkin hummus. Like, I'm so serious. She'll buy like 4 of them at a time.
Yeah, is that where you get your like
no, here's the
love
thing
for
is,
pumpkin?
I don't like pumpkin hummus. I'm not like a hummus girl huge, but I do love pumpkin and I do love pumpkin spice. So I think this will be delish.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So everything's going in the food processor minus the garnishes.
Yeah.
So first,
hopefully it'll fit. Yeah, right?
Hopefully. I'll hand you the ingredients.
Okay.
1 can of chickpea.
Right, okay.
We might need a spoon for this one. Okay. She's looking full, but like, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. She's
Just
in there.
don't put all the maybe we don't put all the pumpkin in. Okay. It's supposed to be a can of pumpkin puree, but just maybe like half. Whatever you can fit is fine.
Okay.
Well, it might be fine if we do most of it, because there's not that much other ingredients.
Yeah. So this is like half.
That's probably good. I would say that's fine.
We can always add more if we want more of like a pumpkin flavor.
If
right?
it also like blends down, we can add more. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, you can just grab what you got.
Okay.
Salt.
Right.
And then this is cumin. Okay, and that's olive oil. Olive oil. To make it smooth.
Yeah, we don't want a dry hummus.
That's lemon.
Yeah, a dry hummus is so bad.
Yeah. A chunky hummus.
Yeah, we want this nice and creamy.
This is ice water. I'm not sure what that does for the hummus. That's what it
Fluffs it up.
fluffs it up. We're getting fluffy.
You can also do an ice cube.
An ice cube, really?
Oh.
I've seen that in the Emily Mariko, her salmon bowl with the rice. It fluffs the rice up. Is that the purpose?
I think that's because it heats the rice up without having it to get watery.
Oh, okay. Well, sorry guys. I'm steering wrong. That is maple syrup.
Okay. Yeah, we want it nice and sweet.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little sweet, a little savory action, and then 2 cloves of garlic.
Yep. Just to keep the vampires away.
Yeah. For Halloween, this is cinnamon. There's a lot of ingredients in this. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, we just want it to be very seasoned.
Yeah, and then this is a pinch of cayenne pepper.
Just a pinch, right?
Yeah, just
pinch.
pinch.
It's perfect for Thanksgiving too.
Perfect for Thanksgiving.
It
Perfect
is.
just for fall in general.
Yeah.
Good fall recipe. Good vibes. And now we're going to blend it. So cover your little ears. Just start moving. And she's done.
Voila.
After minutes and minutes of grinding and chopping. She's not super duper smooth, but she's smooth. She's good enough. She's good enough to eat. She's also a beautiful shade of orange for the fall, like the fall leaves, if you will. I'm gonna scoop her into the little bowl. It yields a lot, let me tell you. It's just good enough for a party.
Yeah, this is a good amount.
Good enough for a party.
For a Halloween party, yeah.
Or maybe a Halloween party that we're having. Smooth, give it a smooth. Can they see that? No. Guys, watch this. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, gorge. Okay. So, we've got, I didn't put these on a plate, but they're on their little baking sheet. We've got some baguettes to eat with this. Before we do that, wait 1 second. We're gonna top it with some, I almost called these
are so good.
Cranberry seeds.
No,
These
girl.
are pomegranate seeds. Top it with
I could
some
eat
of
that whole
these.
thing in like minutes.
I love pomegranate seeds.
Love it.
I love them. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to make it look cute. So, we put our little pepitas on, and now we've got pumpkin hummus with, I almost call them cranberries again. Pomegranate seeds and pepitas with our little gluten-free baguettes. Gluten-free baguettes. Okay.
Baguettes.
take your poison. Pick your poison. I want a salty one.
Do this one. Yeah, this one looks good.
Okay, taste test. Oh, our black cat is coming to visit.
Yes.
Okay. Get your little scoop.
I did a big scoop.
I'm a little nervous. Hold on, let me.
I did a little like pomegranate in there.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers.
If I get lipstick all over my face, like just don't say anything. I get pumpkin hummus. I'm not too chunky. It's fine. It's smooth.
The seasonings, we put a lot in it. You could really taste it.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's seasoned quite well,
Very well.
but not in a bad way.
yeah.
It's flavorful. I love the baguette.
I know, it's so good.
What?
ASMR.
Ooh. Well, this was fun. This was a good time.
Yeah.
I can make this as. Is there crumbs on my lips?
No, you're good.
Okay. I have food all over my teeth. What I was saying, this would be perfect to bring to your Thanksgiving as a little appetizer, a little pre-dinner snack for you and your family and your friends or whoever you're celebrating Thanksgiving with. That's a while from now. Not a while, but
Yeah. Pumpkin lovers, come get this.
it's time to start prepping for Thanksgiving. But yeah, pumpkin lovers, my mother, Mom, you should try this. It's actually really good. You can make it at home instead of buying it at the store. And serve it with some gluten-free baguettes. You can also do like little chippies or like I almost said apples. I don't know if apples would be good. I meant like little veggies. That'd be good too. Little platter. But yeah.
The real question is, when is it time to start listening to Christmas music? How early is too early?
It's never too early.
I'm quite the opposite. Okay. I'm a Halloween girl. I'm a Scorpio. I'm basically a Halloween Scorpio. My birthday's like a few days after Halloween, so I'm a Halloween girl. Christmas, I could not. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm a Christmas girl.
I don't care.
I'm a Christmas girl.
I'm putting it out there. Y'all can flame me in the comments. I do not care. I don't listen to Christmas music. I'll listen to what's the Mariah Carey one?
All I Want for Christmas.
That one's like fine every once in a while. I'm not putting on a playlist if that's what you're asking. But we have two different opinions.
Yeah.
We have two different opinions on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Today's November 1st. You know what that means? November, December issue, our holiday issue, 12th anniversary is on the shelves. It's on the shelves. Well, I mean, it's been on the shelves for like a little bit. But anyway, get your copy. There's some delicious holiday recipes in there. We have a beautiful turkey that TJ shot on the front. Shout out TJ. She's behind the camera. She's assisting with the audio. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous girls love turkey and to take pictures of turkey. And get yours today. It's really cute. Our holiday issue is always very good and beautiful and gorgy.
I just love the holidays.
I love the holidays.
Food, so good.
Yeah, I'm excited for Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I don't eat meat, so I don't eat the turkeys, but
There's a lot of other yummy.
I love me some
Thanksgiving
green
food.
bean casseroles and stuff. So yeah, get your holiday issue today, or you'll get it in the mail soon if you have a.
I think
mail
I actually got it
subscription.
in the mail like the other
Oh,
day.
really?
Yeah.
My mom was probably expecting her. She's like, "Where's my holiday? Where's my
Where
holiday
is it,
issue?"
guys?
But yeah, so we'll see you guys next week for another probably fall-themed Gluten-Free Friday because it's fall and we love the fall. We're fall girls. It's fall girl summer. It's fall girl summer. Bye, guys. We'll see you guys next week for another Gluten-Free Friday.
Bye.